So now you know how to take user input in Python. Now let us try to perform some operations on the input and see what happens. Okay, so now let's start. Let me now type a print statement. Print, hi, how are you? Just like that, I'm typing this. Okay, then I'm going to take my choice to be equal to input. Please enter your choice. Okay, what will happen? Let me run and see. So as I told you, you can go to run and then run. You can always run by using this shortcut key mentioned here, which is F5 on my machine. It can be different on your machine too, depending upon what you are using. If you're using an Apple computer, it will be different. If you're using a Windows machine, it will be different. If you're using a Linux machine, it will be different. If you don't understand, don't worry. All that you should do is you should see what keyboard, what key is given here, and you should press that. That's one way of executing. Clicking on run is another way. There's yet another way, which is this button here. Alright? Okay, so now let me press this button here. It asks this, and I say run, and it says hi, how are you here? You see that? Let me zoom in. It says hi, how are you here? And then it says please enter your choice. I will write, let's say 10. So my choice is taken as 10, but I don't get to know what my choice is. So what I should do for that is I will say print C. That's it. Again run this. It will say hi, how are you? Please enter your choice and say 10. It will say, it will print 10. Correct? Now I'll say if my C, you know what? Your C will always be a string here. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let me delete this and spend some time here and tell you what I'm trying to say. When I say print C here, it will show 10. Let me do one thing. If I say C plus 2, it throws an error. I told you, because C will be seen as a string. It is not seen as a number. Okay, I'll show you something more funny. When I say C into 5, okay, it will then tell you its true color. You know, C into 5 will means if C is 10, C into 5 is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, how funny is that? So C into 5 according to me is 50 when C is 10. As I told you, I'm going to repeat this more often than what you can consider acceptable. Computers are very dumb. They will not understand. I repeat, computers are dumb. You must precisely tell them what you want the computer to do. If you simply say C into 10, it will print 10, 10, 10, 10 times. That is because C is a string according to the computer. It sees it as a string. For you to convert that to a integer, by integer I mean a number, you must give this command D is equal to int of C. What does this mean? It means C was a string when I entered like this using this command, but I am converting that to integer, and the resultant int is an integer. By integer you mean a number. The resulting number will be stored in D. When I say this, now see the magic. If I say D into 5, what do you expect? See, it says 50. Very good. That's a nice computer. I mean, it listens to what I say, but it is bad enough that it is not smart enough that it can figure out what I am trying to say. If I say C into 10, it will put 10, 10, 10, 10 times. Only when I convert that to a number will it give me the right answer. Right? Initially, you see it threw up an error when I said C plus 2. That's because C was a string. Now if I say D plus 2, it will show me 12. Correct?